morning. It's a beautiful day here in England, and I am about to head to the gym. And I just wanted to catch up with you guys and let you know about last week a little bit. So I was able to go for half an hour workout, and then on some days I was not able to go to the gym. So one day I did a dance workout at home. The other day I combined two workouts together and worked out for an hour. And then yesterday I had a very busy day. I was not able to go. So today I'm going to try to factor in 1 hour of workout. If I can't do 1 hour, I'll do 40 minutes, 50 minutes, and then bring that forward to the next day as well. So yeah, I'm still carrying on with my journey. I had sweet cinnamon Quaker Oat 2-minute porridge this morning, which it was actually surprisingly really nice with blueberries. I want to cut down on it because I know the serving size is huge. So I left like this much, so maybe a couple large tablespoons, but gradually I'll try to cut that down and maybe put in more fruits or have something else which is more nutritious maybe. But yeah, so I'm just getting ready. I decided to go for an all blue look today, so I'm wearing this Adidas Stella McCartney collaboration top, and then Adenola leggings. And oh my god, I keep telling people about them, but they're genuinely so comfortable. I would highly recommend. So I'm just going to wear my shoes and then head out. I'm going to wear these Jimmy Choo shoes. I like them because they have a flat base. They're not your typical gym trainers, but I got these lifestyle trainers a few years ago, and I wore them a lot, and I do wear them from time to time, but I like to take them to the gym some days when I know I won't be running, and they are quite good. So honestly, you can also lift heavy weight in it potentially, but I haven't done that because they're not designed for that. But I do use the leg press machine, or just use the rowing machine, or a Stairmaster. So they're quite comfortable. I love the design at the bottom. They come in so many other colors. Sometimes I wish I got the white. So now I'm going to head in the car and go to the gym. But I have to tell you my car story soon. That will be for another video, but we're almost in the gym. I'm going to do some workout. After the workout, I'm going to do a smoothie. So I had to rush from the gym to my son's music school for his concert, and honestly he's done so well, but all the other kids as well, they did so well, and it was such a treat to watch them. And after that I had a nice catch up, and now I'm going to head home. So again, I would say it's good to carry on, and even if you think it's a small workout, just go ahead, do it, because it will all add up. I am really thinking of making some delicious food today. Honestly, I'm gonna make Dynamite Shrimp, so I will try my best to do that quickly as soon as I get home, because after that we have to go somewhere, and I'm looking forward to that as well. I've made myself a cup of tea and I'm going to enjoy that, but I just wanted to show you these gorgeous flowers. Look at them. Can you see the little 3 rosettes? They're not like separate rosettes, but can you see it's like a fan almost. They come, it has this one bit at the top, then 2 on the sides. These smell divine, so good. I wish I had a perfume, and honestly, if you have the perfume, Delina perfume, this is sweeter than that. So good. Unbelievable scent. I wish I could capture it in a bottle. And then on the other side, can you see? This one's about to bloom. I wonder if it will today or will take a while. I can see a little, can you see those little insects on it? So it's hard to tell, but on this one there are none. So I wonder what these are called. If anyone knows what these are called and whether I should leave them or get rid of them, please let me know in the comment section. Please, I would love to find out more. And look at this one. I love that they come in bunches. Beautiful. I've come home and I've put the prawns out to defrost a little bit to thaw, and I've made myself a cup of tea, and I am going to enjoy it with a biscuit from Pakistan. So why not? And yeah, this is gorgeous. I just want to enjoy these beautiful, gorgeous roses, but I am going to yeah, I mean, I wouldn't sit too long in the sun because I want to protect my skin. Hope you're having a lovely day. Whenever you try to defrost prawns, do not put them in warm water. Always have cold water or room temperature. Look at these gorgeous flowers that my husband bought for me. I've taken the shrimp out, and the way to make it is just take a self-raising flower. So if you want, after this, you can put them back in the flour. It's up to you. Because my hands are all clean, and it's just for me and my family. I'm just doing it this way, but I think I might just use a spoon to transfer them back, because I may just transfer them back, and then I'm gonna dust them off like this. And then in the meantime, I put some oil to heat, and after I put the shrimp in, I'm going to make the sauce. So it's easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I had a few phone calls, so I was not able to get changed, and I hate it because, yeah, I don't like to, be in these clothes for too long. But today I've had a busy day, and I obviously want to get ready properly, so I will do that maybe now after making lunch. So the rule with shrimp is, especially this size, you have to cook it just for 2 minutes on each side, not a second more. Honestly, you don't want to do that. So I used to literally time it, and then now I know, but I have an idea. I have an estimate. So I know I said not a second more, but you know what I mean. So, because otherwise it gets chewy, so you can't overcook it. And honestly, a lot of people, I don't have any hesitation in sharing my recipe, but a lot of people, when I share the recipe, they add in like salt, pepper, whatnot, like the whole spice mix. So that changes the recipe, and don't do that. Time to flip, and I will make the sauce once I flip this. So, sweet chili sauce, sriracha, and mayo, and that's it. You mix it, and make sure you use the original and not the Thai version, because that's delicious, but not for this recipe. And that's it. Mix. I might just make a little bit of separate sauce for my son, because this might be too much. And I have no idea why it's looking a bit odd red, but in reality it's like this gorgeous orange. So I'm going to mix, take the prawns out, and toss them in here. So that's it. It doesn't take long. I like to use black sesame seeds on top, and also scallions, or green onions. I don't have them today, so I wanted something green, so I made some green beans almondsy. This is actually an Italian side dish, but I had these toasted almonds for a while, and I really wanted to make this dish. I think it will go well with that. I'm just going to have a bit of fruit, and my husband got these flowers, so I'm just going to put these in. I need to replace the flowers that are in the front room. I've just got dressed to go to dinner at Soho. If you would like to know where the dress is from, leave a comment. I wore this fragrance from Gala that my son and husband picked from Qatar. We had a delicious dinner. Now we're driving back home.